generally, in terms of attending the conference, what were the key takeaways that you can mention?
See, till this time, the key takeaways, because being majorly this conference being about the manufacturing, operational excellence, the key takeaways, because now if you see this conference which is happening out, there are experts coming from various industries. The experts talking about safety being an important part of any organization, and safety being put at a number one spot. So if your people are safe, your building is safe, your equipments are safe, then you can talk about the excellence in the operations. So when you make your people around you and the assets you have safe, then the people can themselves start with the operational excellence themes which actually flows from the top management. So the takeaways from this were the things were coming all are moving towards operational excellence in their industries. Some are doing bit by their own, and many are coming up with the consultants like McKinsey's coming up into the sections or into the units and giving the insights. So finally, the thing is like that you will get the information, you get the knowledge, and you get the tools how the excellence has to be built up. But the finally comes up with the zeal and proactiveness of the people, and how do you actually build a bridge between the gaps of generation. New talents from IIMs, from ITs coming into the organization, and you have the old legacy people around who have the experience, but probably they are not so much prone or acquainted with the IT sections. So learn every day, improve on the technologies which are building up every day. You cannot be stagnant in one position by just understanding or thinking that you have done enough. So the one thing is coming up till you are actually moving away out of this world. Till then it's a learning. Every day it's a learning phase. So IT is playing a very important role in the organization in each and every, whether it's a chemical or it's a petrochemical. Chemical is actually, now the regulatories are so high, especially in pharmaceuticals. FDAs are more emphasizing on the data integrity and the SCADA systems. Apart from this data integrity, SCADA, and the authenticity of the document, the information which you get by putting all the softwares in place is that getting the information about the equipments, getting the beauty is that you can know the health of your equipment, you can assess what kind of maintenance is required, and you can immediately do a proactive thing before the disaster actually happens. Many the people were talking about the solutions. We had an IT guys out here in this, and they were talking about solutions what they can give to the industries. So I could also understand what solutions I can put into the industry which I am in, pharmaceuticals, and which can help my people around to get the data, and especially when you are getting the data and how to assess that data, how to actually take out some important themes from that data and build up your safety operation regime. These are some of the key points, but yes, the thing is like that if you want to survive in the industry, the future is to be in information. You have to have a very strict information technologies. The future is building up the IT structure and automation of the equipments. The future is to be in the race, and the competition is high. And you have seen the people who have been very vigilant, and the organizations which have actually put in forth the IT structure. They have built up their IT structure, the communication structure, and automation in their equipments, in their processes, are actually excelling. The people who have lagged behind, you can see that they are actually lagging behind, who have not been to the system. But yes, every industry, every organization is taking up some part into this, and if you want to be in a race, you have to go with these technologies. You have to build up the technologies all around your organization. And the good thing what came into this was, apart from the operational excellence, which is the basic operation which happens at a factory level, you have to, there's the integration of all the excellences around, right? Whether it's a business, it's a marketing, it's a portfolio teams, or it's a planning team, the operations team, safety team. So the industry itself is you have so many dimensions in the individual industry, so it's very hard to integrate them. And when you are talking about the managements, the top bosses who are there, they need to get a concise report which can tell them what is the health of an industry, what is the health of the units the people are handling around. So that's the one good thing which will come up from this. And being at a desk and moving around and looking into the data which is coming up from these, you can actually decide what should be the path forward. And the manual work which is there, where you all actually analyzing it manually, trying to find out which figures are where. You are getting all those data on a single dashboard. It's beauty that you just need to look into those dashboards and decide how you have to move ahead and how your organization as a whole will improve in the future. A very good mingle, and
Just to break you on this point, sir, you mentioned about a lot of key takeaways from this event, right? Could you tell me some of the things that you implemented in your company in terms of the trends and the latest things that you are working on in operational excellence?
See, we have been doing a lot in operational excellence since last 5 years. The thing is like that, the people, there are many mindsets which have come into the industry. We have got the people from different industries who have been in operational excellence in various fields like McKinsey. We have actually hired McKinsey people for some time, got the theme from them and understood what this transformation, business transformation and the operational excellence is all about. And from there we implemented it all across the globe by our own people, brought out some fresh minds from McKinsey also, and did Kaizens, fires in the places, and we have seen a lot of changes happening. And the theme was like building up the capacity without capex. So when you build up a capacity without capex in the industry, where already we have capacity, so what you need to do is that you don't put any capex into that, and how you are going to actually increase the throughput, finally you have to see that you are putting the products into the market at a time. So delivery should be at a time. It's a high competitive market. So those all things have practically right from logistics, procurements to safety and to our operations throughputs and tracking the deliveries. There are many tools which we have implemented, and they have really helped us, especially bringing up the mindset of the people that what they were doing, there is a big room to improve, there is a big room to have a better throughput, reach to the people, the medicines being very important. You are launching many products to get those products into the field at a time and to reach to the people around and have a sense of satisfaction that what you are made of, being in a pharmaceutical company, you are serving the people around in time. Yeah, that's what it's all about.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for that talk, and it was really great.